Walking away from a woman is one of the most powerful decisions a man can make, and most men completely misunderstand why. They assume that leaving means losing. They believe the man who stays, who chases, who keeps showing up regardless of how he's treated, is the one who wins. That belief has cost more men real opportunities than almost anything else. What they fail to realize is that a woman's reaction to a man walking away has very little to do with logic and everything to do with psychology. It doesn't matter how calm or unaffected she seemed on the surface. It doesn't matter how casually she handled the connection or how easily she acted like she could take it or leave it. The moment a man with real value removes himself from her life, something shifts inside her that she wasn't prepared for and cannot fully control. Her mind starts moving in ways she didn't expect. Her emotions rise in ways she would never openly admit. And suddenly, the man she wasn't fully appreciating becomes the one she can't stop thinking about. I'm not here to teach manipulation or tell you to create distance just to play games with someone's mind. What I'm doing here is far more valuable. I'm showing you the reality of what actually happens inside a woman when you walk away. The thoughts she processes in private, the realizations that hit when everything goes quiet, and the psychological shifts most men never witness because they return too soon. There are 9 things a woman feels when you simply walk away, and by the time we're finished, you won't question your value again. 1. The silence you leave behind speaks louder than anything you ever said. When you're part of a woman's life, even in small ways, you become part of her daily rhythm. A simple good morning message, a quick check-in, your name appearing on her phone. She may have treated those things as normal or even expected. But the moment they stop, she feels the difference instantly. Not later, not eventually, the same day. That absence lands in a way she didn't anticipate and completely catches her off guard. She had become so used to your presence that she stopped recognizing it. Like background noise you only notice when it suddenly disappears. You weren't overwhelming or demanding. You were just consistently there. And then one day you weren't. No explanation, no argument, just silence. And that silence fills the space louder than anything you ever said. That's when something uncomfortable begins to happen. She starts replaying moments, conversations, things she said that maybe she shouldn't have. Without your presence, she has no choice but to sit with her own behavior and actually reflect on it. When you were there, she could avoid that reflection. With you gone, there's nothing left to distract her. That's why silence is so powerful. It doesn't just show your absence. It forces her to feel how much space you truly occupied in her life, space she never acknowledged while you were filling it. 2. Why her confidence cracks the moment you stop chasing. There's something many women will never openly admit, and that is how much of their confidence in a connection is quietly tied to a man's pursuit. Not in a weak way, not in a way they're proud of, but in a very real human way. When a man consistently shows interest, reaches out, and makes his desire clear, it builds a subtle but powerful sense of security. She feels chosen, she feels desired, and often, without realizing it, she begins to take that feeling for granted. The moment you stop chasing, that sense of security disappears. And what replaces it is a level of self-doubt she didn't expect. Suddenly, she's asking questions she wasn't asking before. Was she too distant? Did she say something wrong? Was she not enough to keep your interest? These questions arrive quickly and they're uncomfortable. The confidence she carried while you were pursuing her was partly built on your attention. And now that it's gone, she has to face what remains. This isn't about weakness. It's just honest psychology. People measure their value, at least in part, by how others respond to them, and women are no exception. When a high-value man withdraws his attention, it sends a signal her mind immediately tries to interpret, and that process shakes something in her she can't simply ignore. Your attention carries weight. When you stop giving it freely, she feels that shift, and in that moment, she realizes just how much she was relying on it. That realization alone changes how she sees you. 3. The panic she will never admit, but absolutely feels. One of the first emotions that shows up beneath the calm exterior is panic. Not the kind she'll express directly, not the kind she'll message you about late at night. It's a quiet, internal panic she deals with on her own, often while telling others she's completely fine and doesn't care at all. But the truth is, she cares more than she expected. And that realization is exactly what makes the feeling so unsettling. The panic comes from a sudden loss of control. While you were present and pursuing, she held most of the power in the dynamic. She could respond when she wanted, pull back when she needed space, and trust you would still be there. Your absence removes that control completely. Now, she's no longer setting the pace, and that shift is deeply uncomfortable. What makes it even more intense is that she can't react openly without feeling like she's contradicting everything she showed before, so she keeps it inside. She checks your social media, notices whether you view her stories, looks for small signs while pretending she's moved on. That quiet panic is often the clearest sign of how much you meant. Women don't feel this way about men they were never invested in. The stronger the panic, the stronger the hidden emotion. 4. How walking away forces her to finally see you clearly. Something shifts in her perception the moment you're gone. Everything she overlooked while you were there suddenly becomes obvious. Your effort, your patience, your consistency. None of it seemed that important when it was right in front of her. But once it's gone, she sees it all with a clarity she didn't have before. Absence doesn't just make feelings grow, it sharpens awareness. When you're consistently present, she can choose what to focus on, usually what's missing or what bothers her. But when you leave, that list fades quickly. And what replaces it is an honest recognition of everything you actually were to her. More often than not, that realization is far more meaningful than she allowed herself to admit before. This isn't manipulation, it's human nature. People tend to undervalue what feels permanent and only appreciate it when it's gone. She didn't fully see you because she didn't think she had to. Your absence forces her to look at the full picture. And the hardest part is accepting that she had something real and treated it like it would always be there. 5. The moment she starts comparing everyone to you. After you walk away, something begins that she didn't plan and can't easily stop. Every new man she meets is quietly compared to you. Not just in looks or status, but in how you made her feel, how you showed up, and the standard you set without trying. She may not even notice it at first, but the comparisons happen naturally, and more often than not, other men fall short. He might do everything right on paper, plan dates, communicate well, treat her properly, but something feels missing, and she can't quite explain what it is. That missing piece is the standard you set. That's when regret starts becoming more real. Each comparison reminds her of what she had and didn't fully value. It's not a conscious decision. It's her mind naturally measuring experiences. The man who becomes the standard isn't always the one she loved the most. It's the one who showed genuine character and had the self-respect to walk away when it wasn't appreciated. That combination stays with her. 6. What she does in private tells the real story. What she shows publicly and what she feels privately are often very different. On the outside, she looks fine, moving forward, living life. But in private, when everything is quiet, her mind goes back through it all. Conversations, memories, moments she hadn't thought about suddenly feel very present again. She's not doing this out of weakness. She's trying to understand something that caught her off guard. She believed there was more time, that you would still be there. And now that you're not, she replays every moment where things could have gone differently. She also watches from a distance, notices how you're doing. And if you're handling your exit with calmness and strength, that impacts her more than any emotional reaction ever could. A man who walks away and stays composed earns a level of respect she may never say out loud. 7. Why some women come back and what it really means. A lot of men misunderstand this part. When a woman comes back after you walk away, it's easy to see it as a win, to assume she finally realized your value and everything will be different. Sometimes that's true, but not always. Sometimes she comes back because losing you felt worse than keeping you ever did. And those are two very different motivations. A woman who returns with genuine growth is easy to recognize. She takes accountability. She doesn't rewrite the past. She shows up differently. That situation deserves a real conversation. But if she comes back because her ego was affected, because she doesn't want someone else to have you, or because she simply misses access to you, that hasn't changed anything. And if you don't see that clearly, you'll end up in the same situation again. Here's the truth. Walking away only has power if you're willing to stay away when returning doesn't make sense. Your value isn't proven by leaving, it's proven by knowing who deserves your presence. The most honest truth is this: most women don't realize what they had until the man with real patience, real intention, and real potential quietly removes himself. Not out of anger, not for attention, but because he finally respects himself enough to stop waiting. And that's not weakness. That's one of the most attractive things a man can do. Everything we've talked about, the silence, the doubt, the reflection, the comparisons, the clarity, points to one truth. Your presence has weight. Your absence has power, and a man who knows his worth doesn't beg to be seen by someone who keeps choosing not to look. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever walked away and seen this happen in real life? Or maybe you've experienced it from the other side. Share your thoughts below. I read every comment and I respond because these conversations matter. You watched this for a reason. Trust that. And the next time you question whether walking away is the right move, remember this. Remember, a man who truly knows his worth never has to convince anyone else of it.